I'm no beauty guru, but let's do it. Assalamualaikum, pleased to have you guys back on my channel, and in today's video I will be showing you guys my most current favorite skincare and makeup products that I love using them, and they are very everyday friendly, very cost effective as well. And I know this is something really new on my channel, like I haven't spoken about makeup on my channel as of now, but yeah, there is always a beginning to each and everything. Okay, so this video is going to be in two parts. First I will be talking about skincare products, very simple skincare products for me, and then I will be talking about the makeup items that I'm currently loving so much. And also disclaimer, I am a beginner when it comes to makeup and also skincare. Like I have been doing my skincare, but it has been very consistent and very constant in terms of products and the number of products that I have been using. It is very simple, AM and PM, and three product or you can say three step my skincare routine of mine. So that's what I follow on everyday basis, and I have been doing this since my graduation year. Yeah, well, now let's just dive into the video. So the first product that I have for you guys is this Pond's Ka moisturizer. I know it is very basic, it is very OG, but I very recently in the sense around 4 months 6 months I guess, उतना ही समय हुआ है मुझे इसे यूज़ करना स्टार्ट करते हुए. सो इट्स अ recent thing for me, and since then I am loving this. I also used the gel wala moisturizer, but then it just did not suit my skin and it was full of fragrance. So हाँ वो I did not like that one as much as I love this one. So yeah, this is my most favorite skincare product. I love the consistency. I love how mildly it smells and how non-sticky, non-greasy it is, and how moisturized it keeps my skin for most part of the day. The next product that I have for you guys is this LA Shield ka sunscreen. It is in the SPF 40 PA plus plus plus. So I very recently started using this because I was searching for a sunscreen that would be affordable to me at the moment, as well as would give me a non greasy and no white cast left behind wala look. And this is just it just does its work so beautifully. It's my favorite sunscreen as of now. I use it, this is actually my second tube to be honest, and I use it almost every day. And then I'm also using it right now, underneath my makeup I'm actually using this sunscreen, and it just gives you a very shiny skin after its application, and then it does not leave any white cast, and it blends in so beautifully and so well, and it also blends very quickly, so which is a good part. You don't have to rub it for a minute or maybe more than a minute to get this into your skin. It just blends, it just melts into your skin within around 30 seconds or maybe 45 seconds. Okay, depends upon how much product you are using. Then the third product that I have for you in my skincare, this is the third and also the last product that I have for you, is this Nykaa ka Serial Kisser lip balm. एंड इट इज़ वेरी रिसेंट परचेस ऑफ माइंड, बट ये पूरी तरीके से ख़त्म हो गया है. बस इतना सा बचा है, मैं इसे इतना संभाल के इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ. आई एम येट टू रीपरचेज दिस, एंड आई विल प्रॉबली रीपरचेज इट बिकॉज आई हैव द मोस्ट चैप्ड लिप्स इन द वर्ल्ड आई गेस. So I always require a good moisturizing lip balm, and I was searching for a good lip balm for the longest time. And I also came across few lip balms that would work for me, but all of them worked for a while and then they would leave me again with the chapped lips. To be honest, it does the same if you are not applying this throughout your day on regular basis. Like जब भी लग रहा है तब अगर अप्लाई नहीं कर रहे हो तो देन ऑफ कोर्स योर लिप्स आर गोइंग टू गेट ड्राइड. सो या री एप्लीकेशन आई थिंक इट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड विथ ईच एनी of the lip balms. But yeah, currently I'm loving this lip balm. It smells so wow, it smells so good. This one is I think पिना कोलाडा, आई थिंक पाइनएप्पल वाली थोड़ी सी स्मेल आती है इसमें, बट या आई जस्ट लव इट. So yeah, now let's move on to makeup category. In here I have 6 products. So the first product that I want to talk about is this foundation mousse, Lakme ka 9 to 5 foundation mousse, and oh my goodness, this is something of a gem that I have found. Okay, so okay, so my sister bought one for herself, and then I applied it on my skin and I was like, damn, this is so good. It is actually so good. It just leaves your skin very flawless, and if you're applying this on your face with a damp beauty blender, that's a chef's kiss, to be honest. And इतनी सी जो बॉटल है, ये छोटी सी ट्यूब है, इट्स ऑफ 6 ग्राम, एंड देन इट कम्स अंडर 150 ऑन नायका. यू कैन वेरी इजीली फाइंड इट. So yeah, but then I think it's little costly if you buy the huge bigger bottle, but then yeah, it just, the product is a pay off, you know. I just love this product. I'm just loving this product right now. So I tend to use it whenever I'm using a foundation. I tend to gravitate towards this product. And then the next product that I want to talk to you about is this NY Makeup blush. It's a very recent purchase, but I have used it many times. Even now I'm using it. I think you cannot very clearly see it because of the difference of lightings, but then in person it gives you a very good pinkish color on your cheeks, especially when you are applying it with a brush. Because it is a powder blush, and when you are applying it with a brush, it just gives you that beautiful very blushy pink color. And yeah, I will also try to link all of these products in my description. NY Bay Sunset Skyline range का blush है, but blush number नहीं मिल रहा है. Anyway, I will try to link everything in the description. Okay, so now moving on to next product, that is eye related product, and this is ELF का transparent mascara and eyebrow gel, and it's a very recent purchase of mine. All of these are very recent purchase of mine. यार, why do I have to keep on telling very recent purchase? Recent purchase in this video actually means around 4 months back. ठीक है, उससे अगर ज़्यादा लंबा परचेज़ हुई थी तो मैंने वो प्रोडक्ट्स यहाँ पे नहीं डाला है, बिकॉज आई रियली वांटेड टू टॉक अबाउट द वेरी because I wanted to talk about recent purchases and also the products that I'm loving. Okay, so one of my friends suggested me to try this mascara and brow gel. So yeah, I'm trying it and I'm currently loving it, and I am actually applying this. It is very good for everyday use. If you are a college going student and you don't want to look like all glammed up, so yeah, you can use this one. आईब्रोज़ पे भी एंड देन आई लैशेस पे भी. आई थिंक पता नहीं ये कैमरे में कितना पकड़ाता है, नहीं पकड़ाता है, बट या ये थोड़ा सा अपलिफ्टमेंट दे देता है. एंड आई लाइक मेकअप दैट लुक्स नेचुरल. सो अगर उस तरीके के मेकअप लुक्स के लिए इफ़ यू वांट टू गो, देन दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी गुड. सो एक साइड पे ब्राउ जेल है एंड एक साइड पे ट्रांसपेरेंट मस्करा है. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट कम्स. सो इस तरीके से कुछ रहेगा. ठीक है. And then the next product that I want to talk about is Iba ka eyeliner, and oh my goodness, since the time I have found this eyeliner, I think I haven't used any other. और वैसे भी मैं एक टाइम पे एक ही प्रोडक्ट खरीद पाती हूँ और उसे ही यूज़ करती हूँ जब तक वो ख़त्म नहीं हो जाता है, तो दूसरा प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करने का सवाल नहीं है. बट हाँ, घर में है एक दो आईलाइनर, बट देन आई एम ऑलवेज ग्रेविटेटिंग टूवर्ड्स दिस आईलाइनर because the waterproofness that it has and the long lasting property it has is, oh my goodness, it's so damn good, you know. I think even in one of my reels you could see that it was just too difficult for me to get this off my eyes, you know. So yeah, it's a very good product. Also talking about its wand, or you can say इसको क्या बोलते, टिप. हाँ, टिप बोलते. इट्स वेरी थिन, वेरी प्रिसाइज. सो या, It's a great product. Now moving on to lip products again from Eba, and this is a lipstick and I have actually broken the cap of it. तो उस हिसाब से ये हल्की सी ड्राई हो गई है, बट देन द कलर पे ऑफ इज़ रियली रियली गुड. इट्स अ क्रीमी लिपस्टिक बट ऑल्सो सेमी मैट. यू कैन नॉट से इट्स कंप्लीट मैट, सेमी मैट है, बट कलर इज़ सो ब्यूटीफुल एज यू कैन सी. ओ माई गुडनेस, आई जस्ट लव द कलर. Very everyday wear. The shade number is A45, glossy natural, and it's a very everyday shade and you can wear it almost every day wherever you go. If you are a college going student or a office person and you just want your lips to look little bit colorful and not overdo that color, so I think this is a great purchase for you. Then last but not the least, this is the most recent purchase, like maybe a month or 15 or 20 days ago wala purchase hai, and I have already used it a lot and I use it after my skincare. थोड़ा सा ऐसे लिप को ग्लॉस करने के लिए. इट्स इनसाइड मेकअप एसेंशियल की तरफ से. It's a lip gloss from Inside Makeup Essential. 08 Glitz is the number, or you can say the shade. And to be honest, it's little sticky on your lips, and if you over apply it, मतलब इतना सा प्रोडक्ट लेने का, बट इतना सा प्रोडक्ट लेके आपको बस लगाना है तो ही वो सही रहेगा, वरना अगर आप ज़रा सा भी ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट लेते हो ना तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्टिकी लगने लगता है लिप्स पे, विच इज़ अ ड्रॉबैक फॉर मी. सो या अभी लाई हूँ तो ख़त्म तो करूँगी. तो या इट्स लिटल स्टिकी ऑन योर लिप्स ओनली इफ़ यू आर अप्लाइंग इट more than a drop, so basically just a drop of it and its application above your lipstick or maybe a lip balm will be great. So let me just do it for you guys. I guess ये थोड़ा सही रहेगा. I don't usually apply lip glosses above my lipsticks, but yeah. कैसे लग रहा है? Oh wow, glossy हो गए lips. Look, it's looking good. Yeah, so this is the last product that I wanted to show that I'm loving currently. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and it was my very first try in terms of makeup and talking a little bit more in detail about even my skincare products. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.